Bangka na dyan, and I'm here in my kitchen again to give you episode 7 of how to cure homesickness by cooking. Tonight's recipe is Patatim. Here's the ham hock. We're cleaning it to remove excess blood. I'm patting dry the meat to remove the water that we just used to clean it, so that this would avoid splatter when we put it on the oil. To achieve a brownish skin color for our patatim, we will fry it a bit, sear the meat in a small portion of oil. So I'm preparing my frying pan, and we'll put the meat later. We've just placed the meat on the frying pan. So we're trying to brown the skin of our ham hock. I've put a splatter screen because obviously there's still water on my meat, even if I patted it dry. And just to avoid oil getting through whoever is cooking, it is advisable to put a splatter screen. I reversed it. Frying the meat is just the first step of the cooking process. We are trying to achieve a darker brown color of the skin. It doesn't need to be cooked through and through because we're gonna braise it anyway. Here's our meat, and we're now ready to add our flavors to it. I've added in oyster sauce, soy sauce, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, pineapple, peppercorn, onion salt, and some star anise. This is going to be ready for braising. I have put the pot on the stove top and we'll leave it there for a while until the meat is soft and tender. I just wish you were here to smell it. It smells so good. The cinnamon stick and the star anise. Here are the mushrooms that I will add to my meat. I don't have shiitake right now, so I'm going to use button mushrooms. And I've cleaned up some Shanghai bok choy for my greens. I didn't use the baby bok choy for this time. Our meat looks very tender. And on this side now, we are gonna make the sauce that goes with our bok choy and our mushrooms. I'm gonna get some of the sauce from the pot. Now on this frying pan, I'm gonna put the bok choy and the mushrooms and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. If the sauce is not sweet enough for you, you can add brown sugar. So to thicken my sauce, I would just add diluted cornstarch. I've added in the mushrooms. The mushrooms and the bok choy, it's an easy cook. 3 to 5 minutes is good enough. So I've added in my cornstarch to thicken the sauce. I'll remove my bok choy because my bok choy looks good now, while the rest of the sauce will be at boiling point to ensure that the cornstarch mixes well with the liquid and thickens our sauce. So if you notice, the sauce with the cornstarch starts to thicken. I'm just leaving the button mushrooms for several minutes, like 2 more minutes. That's my Patatim. Dinner is served. Let's eat. Wait, how do you pronounce that? Patatim or Patatim? Okay, need help. Tonight's recipe is the I've googled it and it says Patatim, so I'm using Patatim. I hope it's correct. I hope I did justice.